Hi guys, just going to show you today's install, which is on the CarPlay touchscreen type device. So it's not an Android system, it's a CarPlay type system. So what it does is, or an Android also, it brings the apps from your phone. So as you can see, it works on the CCC version of the car. Also there's a CIC version on this BMW X5 E70 today. Also fits the X6. So as you can see, the CCC menu's there. If I was just to hold down the menu button down below, you'll actually see us go direct into, this is the home page here of the actual system here. So as you can see, it's got wireless CarPlay, wireless Android Auto, and obviously today's customer has an Apple phone. So this just basically shows you the CarPlay side of things. So obviously it brings all your apps from your phone into your maps, your Apple Maps, Google Maps, brings that radio apps, brings audio apps and stuff like that. It works with the steering wheel control. So I'm just going to keep it short today. But as I say, this is the system here. I'll just give you a look from the side how it looks. Comes with its own frame. If you've got any questions, get in touch with us and I'll speak to you soon. Thank you.